Hi friends, welcome to the CS Nuts. In the previous video we have learned trapezoidal rule. Now we are going to solve a numerical integration using Simpson's one-third rule. We can evaluate the integration of any function by Simpson's one-third rule, and here is the definition of it. The composite Simpson's one-third rule is now this means I equals to h by 3 into sum of the first and last ordinates plus 4 into sum of all odd ordinates plus 2 into sum of all even ordinates. Here h equal to b minus a by n, where b equals to the upper bound, a equals to lower bound, n equals to number of subintervals, and y0 equals to fx0, y1 equals to fx1, y2 equals to fx2, and so on. Now suppose we have a problem. Evaluate integration of 0 to 1 4x minus 3x squared dx taking 10 intervals by Simpson's one-third rule. In step 1, here fx equals to 4x minus 3x squared, a equals to 0, b equals to 1, and n equals to 10. In step 2, we are calculating h. And in step 3, we have to tabulate xi and yi taking 10 subintervals. Now, observe the table carefully. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comment section.